First of all, we have to connect our AnyDesk to our server machine. This is our server machine, which ID is 240. We are going to connect it. Now we have to accept from the server machine. This is our server machine. Now here we have to accept the connection. We are going to accept it. After accepting this, we have to simply copy the file in the client machine, and here you can see there is a button accept files. Only in client side we have to copy, control C, or simply copy any file and accept it in the server. It will automatically download it into the server machine. As you can see, we have downloaded here our deployment. We can check it where it is placed. It is placed inside the downloads. Here Linux machine is working, so we have to move to the downloads. In downloads we have our downloaded file. As we were unable to find this file, we have again press the control C in client machine, and now we are going to accept the file. File is being downloaded in the server. It's finished. So we have received our file in downloads folder by the name of date and time. As we have transferred two files today is 31st August, and this is our first file and this is our second file. Both are same. We are going to delete this one. Simply right click and move to trash. So this is our actual file. Before the deployment, we have to turn off our server, as our server is running. So to turn off the server, simply press Ctrl C to shut down the server from the keyboard. Now server is being turned off. Here you can see the shutdown is complete. Now we have to take the backup of server machine. Here you can see JBoss 5.0.0 CR2. This is our server installation. We have to back up this folder using compress command. So we can store it in different location. Today is 31st August 2023. Now create the backup. It will be compressed. It will take some minutes. Now you can see all the files are being compressed. Now it's done. We can view it, this folder, by clicking open it. And here you can see this is I'm closing this. We have successfully backed up our server. Now we have to place our new build inside this. Open this folder, then in server, and there is default folder and deploy. Here you can see this is our main build, existing build. We have to replace it with the new one. Now we have to copy our new build into server location, which is computer jboss, then server default deploy. Here you have to paste it. Now delete this one. This is our old build. Simply delete it. Extract this one as it is zip file. Extract here.
Now do you take the backup?
This one is new build and we have to delete this zip file. Now new file is placed inside the deploy folder. Now we have to clear some temporary files. So we can clear the temp folder, but right now we are not clearing temporary folder. We have to clear the logs. So here you can see there are many files. Skip first 3 files, that is audit, boot and server, and delete rest of all. We will press Ctrl A and then skip the first 3 one and simply press delete or move to trash. Now logs are cleared, build is deployed, and we have to start the server. To start the server we have a special command, you can note it. This is our command to start the server. Press enter. Now server is being started and new build will be deployed. Thank you.